respond to it positively.
Sure.
So can you answer the question? Like, if imagine yourself being a candidate for the whatever position,
Sure.
and the question was asked, "What's your definition of a woman today?" In terms of, because they're going to try and trap you with the
Right.
critical race theory and this gender thing and so forth. So how do you answer in a way that people respond to it positively?
Yeah. So I'll split this one up into, I think, like two questions. First, I'll start out with what is the definition of a woman? Um, to me, I would again go back male and female. So female would be woman, and then someone might say, well, what is a female? And you would say, well, it's defined by our sexual organs, how God made us. We are two very different creatures. Men are created in one way, and we have different workings, plumbing, organs, all of that, and women are created in a different way, and they have a different capacity. And if you look at uh, it, just about every other mammal out there, it's the same. You look at the squirrels, or you look at the creatures at the zoo, and there's a male and a female, a boy and a girl. Is that a boy dog or a girl dog? And how do we tell the difference? And so, if that's how we tell the difference in animals, I would say we're very similar. God created us just like He created the animals. And then, if they